In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common Microsoft Edge error, the one that says, cannot securely connect to this page. Don't worry, we'll go step by step so you can get back online fast. To start, you'll need to click on your Start menu. In the search bar, type in Internet Options. You'll see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Internet Options window, look for the Security tab and give it a click. You'll see several icons there. Select the one that says Internet. Next, find and click the button labeled Custom Level. In this detailed list of settings, you'll want to scroll down until you find the option that says Display Mixed Content. You have to set this option to Enable. Just click, and there you go. Once you've done that, hit OK. A confirmation box will appear, so make sure you click Yes to confirm your changes. With that done, click Apply to save these new settings, and then OK to exit the window. The next step is to restart your computer. It's crucial for applying these changes, so go ahead and do that now. After the restart, open Microsoft Edge again. Check to see if the issue is resolved. If it is, fantastic. But if you're still seeing that error message, don't worry, we have a second method to try. Make your way back to Internet Options just like we did earlier. This time, you're going to click on the Advanced tab. Once you're here, scroll down until you reach the Security section. Now, pay attention. You need to make sure that the boxes for Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, and Use TLS 1.2 are all checked. It's very important that you do not check the box for SSL 3.0. Leave that one as is. After ensuring these settings are correct, click Apply, then OK. You'll need to restart your computer once more to make sure these changes take effect. After your computer boots back up, relaunch Microsoft Edge. If everything went according to plan, you should now be able to browse without encountering any security errors. And that's it. 2 quick methods to fix the cannot securely connect to this page issue. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.